Alright guys, what is going on? It is KvartekMedia today. Thank you all so much for watching this video. We got a little bit different video for you guys today. We're going to be fishing some brackish water for some speckled trout, redfish, hybrid bass, basically anything. Whenever you're fishing brackish water, there's a variety of different fish to catch. But let me go ahead and show you guys what baits I was throwing and why I was throwing them. Alright guys, so I'm going to keep it simple and to the point. The reason why I was throwing this for the first 4 fish in the video was because it was overcast outside and we just had a cold front come through. So that's basically the only reason why I was throwing this. I mean, you know, it's not like I love topwater, although it is extremely fun to use and, you know, see fish strike it. But yeah guys, it was starting to rain and it was overcast outside, so started off throwing this for the first 4 fish in the video, and then the very last fish at the end, I was a little bit further upriver and I was fishing a little like creek that led into the main river, and I knew that there would be something sitting right at that mouth, so I tied on this little jig. As soon as it hit the bottom, it got nailed. So that's the second one that I was using, guys. But yep, those are my lure choices of the day right there. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the action, guys. Ooh, fish on, guys. Fish on. That looked like a pretty good fish too, folks. That looked like a pretty good. Ooh, nice trout. Heck yeah, guys. Nice trout. Beautiful trout right here. He looked pretty decent too, folks. Oh yeah. Or is this a bass? Oh, it's a bass. Looky there. A largie. Dang, this guy absolutely inhaled that topwater too. All right. Let me go ahead and get this guy off. There we go, folks. First fish of the morning. I thought it was a trout. I mean, he literally almost came out of the water and attacked that topwater, but little largemouth bass. Beautiful little fish. All right, let's let him go. Ooh, come on. There we go. Fish on, folks. Fish on. This is a trout for sure. This is a trout for sure. I say that now and it's like watching it be like a houndfish or like a little bass, but I'm almost positive this is a little trout. I have him weirdly hooked too, so I need to hurry up and get him in. No, it's a little redfish. Little rat red. Oh, looky there, folks. A little rat red. Alright, well that's another good sign. If there's this little guy here, that almost went bad. If there's this guy here, folks, then there's got to be some more little rat reds. So I'm gonna go ahead and get him off the hook. There we go. All right. Second fish of the day, guys, a little juvenile redfish, and look at that tail, absolutely beautiful. Let's get this little guy in the water so he can grow up and be a big one. All right, well, that was pretty cool. You know, not the size we really want, but hey, as long as you're catching fish, guys, you can't really complain. I mean, so I'll take it. Let's get back to fishing. Ooh, this got a nice hit. Come on. There he is. Nice fish, guys. Ooh, that's a speck. That is a nice speck. There we go, guys. Ooh, guys, this is a beautiful speckled trout. Oh my gosh, I need to get my fish grips. Come on, baby. Nice speck, guys. Nice freaking speckled trout. Oh my gosh. Come here, buddy. Can you get my fish grips? Alright, he's hooked very good too, folks. Oh, hold on, let me get my fish grips. Holy. Okay, you know what? He's hooked pretty good. Yes! Oh my gosh! Guys, look at, oh my god, he's fixing to get out. Let me put, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and, I can't even talk right now. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at the size of that trout. Oh my gosh. Folks, look, actually I need to wet my hands, guys. I forgot about that. That's my bad. I didn't touch them a lot, so you should be good. But yeah, whenever you guys catch these speckled trout, always wet y'all's hands. Look at that nice fish, guys. Absolutely inhaled that top water. Beautiful, healthy sea trout. I'm gonna get him measured up, guys, and then I'm gonna take a quick picture of him, and then I'm gonna let him go. Man, what a fish, guys. Look at that thing. Beautiful. All right, guys, time to let this beast go. Right at 20 inches. Oh, he just swam into the ground. There he goes, guys. That was a beautiful speckled trout right there. He was healthy too. You could tell he had been eating. All right, let's get back to fishing. All right, guys, I was just moving spots. Ooh, this might be a red, guys. I was just changing spots and I didn't even have my freaking GoPro running, and I literally just blind casted and I got hit. I think this is a little red, guys. Either that or it's an enormous trout. And it is a redfish. Heck yeah. He's not a bad redfish either, guys. He's not huge, but these redfish fight amazing, so there we go. Heck yeah, folks. Look at that. Hold on, buddy. I'm gonna get you off, don't worry. Ooh, look at that tail, folks. Look at that tail. That is blue. All right. Hold on, buddy. All right, I'm gonna get to my fish grips real quick, guys. And open up, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Look at that beautiful redfish, guys. I'm gonna measure him up real quick and I'm gonna let him go. His tail was so blue. As soon as I took him out of the water, it was, I'm talking extremely blue. Probably one of the bluest redfish tails that I've ever seen. And look at it, guys. Look at that tail. Starting to do it again. It has to catch that sunlight perfect, but I'm gonna go ahead and get him measured up, folks. So he is right at 20, guys. He would be slot. I'm gonna toss him back there and let him get a little bit bigger, but before I do that, I'm gonna snap some quick pictures and then I will let this little guy go. But heck yeah, so we caught a bass, redfish, and speckled trout. So we're just adding to the list, folks. Alright folks, time to get this fish released. Let him go and become a little bit bigger. Alright little buddy, you ready? You ready to go off, buddy? Alright. Here you go. Nope, wrong way, guy. Okay. I think he found his way. Alright folks, that is the 4th fish of the day. A little bit nicer redfish than the first one, but that was pretty cool, pretty cool. On! Yep. Alright guys, I literally didn't even have to work this freaking lure. I just threw it out and this fish annihilated. I'm not sure what it is. Trout! There we go folks. Nice little trout. Oh my god, he inhaled it. There we go! Nice trout, man! Heck yeah, guys. That is what I am talking about right there. Look at that specky. Woo-hoo. He's going to be a keeper too, folks. Look at that fish right there. Beautiful little winter trout, and he is cold. And there is a tree right there, so I should probably go ahead and... Oh my god, that was sketchy, folks. That was sketchy. I about ran into that tree. Look at that beautiful speckled trout, guys. Absolutely inhaled the Striker King. I'm going to go ahead and get him off the hook and measure him up for you guys. Bro, you are missing out, man. I'm telling you. First cast right there. Look at that. Huh? Bro. No. You swear? Yeah. Alright, hold on. Dude, I drove it that far. Oh my god, dude. Alright guys, let's get this guy off the hook and get him measured up. He is definitely going to be a keeper. Where in the world? Oh, I had him hooked good, guys. He absolutely inhaled it. All right, guys. Ooh, look at that trout. He's fat, too. I do believe he is going to be a solid keeper, folks. And yeah, he's going to be 16 and a half right there. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but first keeper of the day, guys. Beautiful winter trout. Let's go ahead and put him in the Yeti. Let's get back to fishing.